Night I climbed over the gate. I don't think Timothy wants it, but this is where Simba usually goes when I track him in this vast field. Oh, the rabbits are. It's part of the golf club. Oh, Timothy is coming. It's almost dusk. All is silent. So, imagine the rest. Gonna go off now for a walk.